Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are here in a master plan community called Santa Rita Ranch, and we're going to be touring a brand new model that just opened up by Highland Homes. This one is the Easton floor plan. So if you guys are interested in this floor plan, make sure you let me know, reach out to me, as I have helped hundreds of buyers with their new construction home. Okay, let's go ahead and check out this beautiful model. Hey guys, welcome to this beautiful two-story Easton floor plan right here in Santa Rita Ranch. This is a brand new model that just opened up. So if you guys are liking this one, reach out to me, let me know. And the other thing that I love about this model is the colors, the greens and the designs that they have. So that's another inspiration for you all to watch this video to get ideas on how you want to display your home. And obviously the color coordination is beautiful in here. So let's go check it out. One thing that I love about this model right here is the kitchen that's opening up to your dining and also to your family entertainment as they're watching television and getting together as a family. The other thing that I love is the 6-stove gas burner right here. Another great feature for the women that love their pantry is this one right here. This is a walk-in pantry. So why not store the other stuff that you don't need in here? As we're upstairs in the game room, you guys can see it's so open to below. The high ceilings make it such an open living space with lots of natural sunlight. So this is a great option right here that they offer is the open game room looking down below. Hope you enjoyed this beautiful model home tour right here in Santa Rita Ranch. This just opened up, so if you're interested in this model plan, reach out to us, let us know. We'll help you get started. Thanks for watching. Until next time.